Ace performing, heard was a dream, and soon like an
My name is Derek Thomas Menu and I represented Opoku Ware School.
I am Kelvin Nasari. I also represented Opoku Ware School.
Did you actually enjoy the contest?
Yeah, we enjoyed it. It was innovative, educative, and somehow sharpens you. Yes.
Yes, like you said, it was very competitive and then very educative. We built up our public speaking skills, ability to think on your feet to write something.
So what is your impression so far about all the contests that you've gone through?
Well, I have a good impression of the general consult or the general competition because, like, what is it? It always keeps us on our toes because we don't know what's coming, don't know what's popping. So if you're not someone who is able to think on your feet, or you're not someone who is always prepared for unprecedented events, it's really difficult. So I like that, and I think that makes it best.
Okay, did you receive any special award?
Yes, please.
And what was that?
The most creative.
Most creative. Wow, thank you so much for coming.
their nation and the world. We provide the platform for students.